We've had a lot of work done to this boat in the boatyard, and we've had some electronics upgraded and replaced the VHF radio. I'll show you how to do a radio check. Turn it on. You can read. Radio will not transmit any DSC calls until a ship's MMSI is entered. Do you want to input an MMSI? I have to stop the alarm first. And right now the answer is no. So there, we are on channel 16. Because we do not have the GPS turned on, we do not know our latitude and longitude or the date. All of that information comes from the GPS. I do want to do a radio test, and you do not do a radio test on channel 16 with CTO. You can do it on channel 26, and I'll show you how to do that right now. On the microphone, you need to talk into that little bitty hole where my thumb is. It says mic. Radio test, Captain Chris.
Thank you for using the CTO automated radio check system hosted by CTO Treasure Coast, located at Harbor Branch and Florida Atlantic University, 2 miles north of Fort Pierce Inlet.
Radio test, Captain Chris.
When boating in the Bahamas, CTO will make sure you get home safely, day or night.
So there you go, successful radio test. I will go back to channel 16, which is hailing and distress. And we've got the button highlighted in red. I'll press that. I'll go back to channel 16, and we can listen to any marine traffic running up and down the Intracoastal Waterway or the Fort Pierce Ship Channel. If you have questions about radios, MMSI, or AIS, ask Captain Chris.